Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the audio and confirming rights. Pick a track from YouTube Audio Library or a license source. Make sure the mood and tempo fit your visuals and trim the clip to approximate runtime before import. Once done, keep a copy of the license or attribution text handy because YouTube may require it. Connect your editing software to the project timeline, import the audio, and place the file on a dedicated music track so you can mix without touching your main narration. Next, you shape and mix the music so it supports your voice. Start by trimming and applying gentle 1 to 3 second fades at start and end to avoid jarring cuts. Then, duck the music under speech, either with manual automation or sidechain compression, so spoken words stay clear. Normalize the audio to around -3 dB to preserve headroom and listen through headphones and speakers. Make small adjustments to EQ to reduce mask at 2.4K HZ where voice is live. Finally, upload your video or open YouTube Studio Editor. Add the chosen music track and align it precisely with your timeline. Use volume envelopes to automate ducks and boosts during quiet or high-energy moments and confirm overall loudness meets platform norms. Before publishing, run a final check. Enable captions, review audio on multiple devices, and paste any required attribution into the description. If copyright claims appear, first dispute only with proof of license. Otherwise, replace the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.